It's August 18th and I have been working on some of the panels and the sink. The idea is to get both of these panels close to the flooring color. Just a way to make the room look larger. This is the front of the tub that comes down next to the toilet, and this is the sink inside the bathroom. So the idea is to get as close to the flooring color as possible. By keeping colors the same throughout, it helps everything look a little bit larger, I'm hoping. And that is one of the things that we're working on. We're also tabletop epoxying all of this to make it more stable. So this is the tabletop epoxy that we are using to seal in the maps and attach the maps, and to seal in the paint for the bathroom since it's high water area, the sink, and the bath panel on the front. And this is all sticky and setting up. I hate using this stuff, but it works so good. But there's no way I can keep it off of me. I always end up with it stuck on me somehow. Yesterday, I was working on the panels for the bottom of the cabinets, and as you can see, they're all maps using this wood, old leftover wood from the first camper, cutting them to fit. Cory's doing all the cutting, and then depending on which side faces down, I use the tabletop epoxy, place maps they're from previous trips that I've taken. I kind of love that idea because it puts a little bit of my history in here. And I even gave a shout out to Rick Steves, because in the early days, that's how you traveled Europe. Rick Steves was your guide, and they fit tightly and snugly within our cabinets. So how about you, Cory? What is your August 18th update?
I think you went through most of it already. The undersides of the cabinets. Just working on the bathroom, getting the bathroom surround, put a few of the walls up so I can start looking at doing the paneling, the moisture barrier paneling for the shower surround.
Cool. It's moving. Always an adventure.
Always.
If you've enjoyed following along on our journey, the planned stops and the unexpected detours, we'd love for you to join us for our further explorations. Hit that subscribe button below and become part of the When Nerds Learn to Fly crew. We've got more adventures in store, and we can't wait to share them with you. Thanks for exploring with us. Until next time.